In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start your Shopify business in just 5 minutes. Beginning your entrepreneurial journey with Shopify is a thrilling venture into the world of online retail. To kick things off, head over to the Shopify website. It's a straightforward start, just navigate to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button. Click on that. This action is your first step into the Shopify world, guiding you through the process of accessing your very own space within their platform. Next up, you'll need to enter your email address. This is pretty standard for any online service, but it's worth mentioning that choosing an email you frequently use can save you a lot of hassle down the line, especially when it comes to receiving important updates regarding your store. After you've input your email, the next step is to enter your password and then hit login. Security is key in the digital world, so choose a strong password that you won't easily forget. Congratulations, you've logged in. Now proceed to My Store on the home page of Shopify. This dashboard is where the magic happens, where your dream starts to take shape. Every great store needs a stunning visual appeal, which brings us to the next phase, choosing a theme. Shopify has a plethora of themes to pick from, each designed to cater to different styles and industries. Browse through the selection and choose one that resonates with your brand. After selecting a theme, it's time to try theme. Don't worry, this doesn't commit you to anything. Think of it as trying on clothes before you buy them. It's about seeing what fits your brand image best. Once you've settled on a theme, click Customize. This feature is a powerful tool in Shopify, allowing you to tweak various aspects of your chosen theme to perfectly align with your brand's vibe. Here you can experiment with layouts, colors, and fonts until you're satisfied with the look. With the aesthetics sorted, your next move is to click on Theme Settings. This area dives deeper into the customization of your store, offering settings that affect the overall functionality and user experience. Take your time here, the details matter. Now, onto the products. Click on Products, then Add Product. This step can feel like filling your shop with goods, an exciting moment for any store owner. Whether you sell handmade goods, digital downloads, or anything in between, product listings are where your items shine. Provide clear, detailed descriptions and quality images to attract customers. Before you get too lost in the excitement of populating your store, don't forget to click on Settings. This critical step involves configuring various operational aspects of your store, including payments. Setting up payments is how you'll get paid, so give this section the attention it deserves. Shopify supports a range of payment gateways. Choose one that works best for your business needs. Next, set up shipping and delivery. Whether you're shipping worldwide or just locally, your shipping settings will determine how you deliver products to your customers. Shopify offers flexible options to cater to various shipping models, so find one that aligns with your business plan. Another significant aspect to consider is setting up your domains. A custom domain adds professionalism to your store and helps customers find you online. If you haven't already purchased a domain, Shopify provides options to buy or transfer one directly within their platform. Lastly, but arguably most importantly, is to promote your business. In the digital age, creating your store is just the beginning. Promotion is crucial to driving traffic to your store and converting that traffic into sales. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other channels to spread the word about your new Shopify store. And there you have it. You've just set up your Shopify store in minutes. Remember, the journey of running a successful online store is a marathon, not a sprint. Take the time to learn, adapt, and grow. Engage with your customers, stay open to feedback, and always be on the lookout for new ways to enhance your offerings. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in the digital marketplace.